Now we'll
Thank
move
you,
on
sir.
to the next speaker, Srimati Sridevi Bhaskar from Alagappa University, Karaikudi. And the title of the talk is Implementation of Smart Innovative Technologies in Tamil Nadu Public Libraries, a special reference to Anna Centenary Library. Sridevi Bhaskar, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes, very much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Very good morning, very good afternoon to one and all present here in today's presentation. Let me introduce myself. I am Sridevi Bhaskar, research scholar from Alagappa University and also working as Library and Information Officer in Anna Central Library, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. First of all, I thank Rajeshwari ma'am, convener of READIT 2021 and E. Soundarajan sir, organizing secretary of READIT 2021, Scientific Information Resources Division, Safety, Quality and Resource Management Group, IGCOR Kalpakam, for hosting this 12th International Online Conference on Recent Advancement in Information Technology web conference, having the theme of Innovative Technologies for the Sustenance of Libraries. And I am also conveying my thanks to Madras Library Association President, Dr. Nithyanandam sir, and I also welcoming our chairman of this technical session, Dr. B.S. Srinivasan sir, head LIMS. Good afternoon, sir. And also I am once again conveying my grateful thanks to convener and head Rajeshwari ma'am for selecting me as one of the participants to give this presentation here today. And at this moment, I am conveying my thanks to my guide, Dr. C. Bhaskaran sir, who co-authored me to write this article. Let me share about few words of my article entitled Implementation of Smart Innovative Technologies in Tamil Nadu Public Libraries, a special reference to Anna Centenary Library. And coming to the first slide, this slide tells about the agenda of today's presentation, and it includes different topics which will be discussed on the oncoming slides. And next slide is introduction. Nowadays, public library occupies the most prominent place in providing information to all age group of people. This article tells about how public libraries are giving service by using advanced technology. And it also speaks about how Anna Centenary Library acts as smart library and what are all technologies adapted to construct this library. And moving on to the next slide. Directorate of Public Libraries. According to Tamil Nadu Public Library, at which was constructed in the year.
Excuse me, madam, small this one.
Yes,
Lack of time, we have only 8 minutes. So please see to it that your talk is confined to 8 minutes. And yeah.
Sir, 1 minute.
Just I forgot to tell that in the introduction. So just 8 minutes for everybody's talk. So please confine to the time, please. We are already late. That's all. Okay. Yeah, please proceed, madam.
Yes, sir. According to Tamil Nadu Public Library Act 1948, Directorate of Public Libraries has been created in the year 1972 for the smooth functioning of 4,640 public libraries, which is all includes categories comprising of Kanimara Public Library, Anna Centenary Library, and we are having 32 district central libraries and 1,926 branch libraries and 1,915 village libraries and 751 part-time libraries and also 14 mobile libraries. On the whole, we are having total number of 4,640 public libraries. The above mentioned libraries are under the control of Directorate of Public Libraries, which is an entity of School Education Department, Tamil Nadu. And moving on to the next slide. Exposing of innovation technologies to emerge Anna Central Library as smart library. Why Anna Central Library act as smart library? This is the flow chart of working model of Anna Centenary Library, and most of our librarians working in this library are having doctorate in library science that enhances working capability of librarians. And also this library becoming efficient with emerging technologies, and also this library satisfies all the age group of people by its renowned services and technologies. And also this library valued by based on services by technological integration and to know the recent trends and advances of technology used in library field. And moving on to the next slide. This slide explains about the smart innovative technologies exposed in ACL. Anna Central Library, referred as Smart Library, satisfies the users in the three-dimensional model. First one is technological model, and it also act as a service model and also as user-oriented model. And moving on to the next slide, technological model. Technological model of Anna Central Library comprises of this library is referred as a green library building, and also it has well-renowned integration building management system. And we are also having 11 servers for CCTV configuration. And we are previously we used Liberty software, and currently we are using Koha open source software. And also there are 2 servers for application and web. And we are storing storage access network SAN and network access storage used for CCTV footage. And also more than 450 IP based surveillance cameras are allowed to monitor inside and outside the library premises. And there are 2 diesel generators is used during power failure. And also every floor are having provided with tables with reading lights that will be useful for readers. And also service lift are available for users and staff on each floor. This library is referred as Green Library Building because Anna Central Library certified as the first green library building in Asia, rated from US Green Building Council. And this building type is heritage building, means a building possessing architectural, aesthetic, historic or cultural values, which is declared as heritage building by the planning authority. And this library has taken green initiatives that includes this library has a sustainable energy generation use, and it is a eco-friendly library, and it has a water conservation facility and use of non-chemical paint, and it has natural ventilation and allows natural light. And all the floors are having LED bulbs to save electrical energy. In our library, artificial lighting is used less during daytime because the building infrastructure, atmosphere covered building, glass covered building, and it allows the full exposure of sunlight, that which plays a major role green design and in turn make the floor wings looks brighter, and also usage of artificial lighting can be reduced. During daytime, sensors are programmed to dim or brighten the light to reduce the cost of electricity. And this library uses waste separation, and also elimination of plastic bags are allowed in this library. And shop present in this library are not using paper cups, and instead they are using private crockery. This library has integrated building management system, IBMS. And IBMS is a system for the integration of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC, fire alarm, public address, access control, security lighting, and other systems. Overall systems architecture comprises of the following logical layers. First layer is management layer for system monitoring, controlling, data storage, and reporting. And second layer is control layer for intelligence of the systems. And third layer is the field layer for sensing, controlling, and protecting environmental conditions.
You have 2 more minutes to go, madam.
Sir, I request another 8 minutes to complete my PPT, sir.
No, already we are, unfortunately, we are already late due to some things. So please.
This is the flow chart of IBMS. And also we are using RFID usage in ACL. And RFID uses advantage of RFID used in ACL for the purpose of security of library item identification. And it is reactivated as materials are checked out and in through RFID gate. Hence, no separate security procedures are required. And our library is using integrated library management system. An integrated library management system is a computer-based system used to manage internal and external resources. Previously, we used Liberty Integrated Library Management Software. At present, Library Authority has planned to switch over to Coho open source software. And this figure explains the homepage of Coho open source software in ACL. And features of our library management system software is it supports bill catalog management, and it supports barcode scanning, and also webpack is there, and it includes website hosting. And this library has a well-renowned electronic resource management. It is created to evaluate user needs, and these including e-journals, e-books, database, data sets, CD-ROMs for searching library data, resources, and scholarly databases. And also, this library has e-library section in ACL. And in this section, we are having 16 computer for accessing e-resources. And we are also having ebook platform like Springerly. And ACL has undertaken the project of
me, madam.
digitization through Directorate of Public Libraries of valuable books includes rare books, incunables, nationalized texts and books, and ancient palm leaf manuscripts. And also this digitization process is undergoing in selected libraries
Excuse
like
me, madam.
Kanimura Public Library, Tamil Nadu Archaeological Library, and in private libraries. And also this library has digital asset management, and ACL maintains a separate YouTube channel for to preserve the famous expert speech or talks about particular topic participated in Ponmali Poludhu program. And
Excuse
also
me,
this
madam.
library acts as service model, and is providing specialized services by maintaining sections like braille sections, children's section, one book
Can
reading
you
section,
conclude?
textbook corporation outlet, and government oriental manuscript library, and research center,
You cannot hear
periodical
or
section, and competitive exam section. Braille section. This is located at the ground floor of this library, and this section has 1,500 books in Braille, 145 ebooks, 1,080 audiobooks. And also this section has 2,000 registered members, and equipped and well equipped with 7 accessible computer terminals, which is installed with non-visual desktop access, screen reading, open source software. And also it has registered volunteers to record the content material of the book. And also this section has the facility of text to voice file conversion, and it also has a DAISY formatted books reading. DAISY is nothing but digital accessible information system, is the emerging standard for digital talking people, digital talking books of people who are blind. And also it offers a newspaper service, exam application service. Our library staff assists the users by applying online for examinations or jobs such as various competitive examinations, for supporting the users, and also offering a tutorial service for the competitive exams. And in our library, we are maintaining a own book reading section. The readers can bring their personal notebooks, textbooks, and laptops to encourage reading. And also we are having children's section. In this section, 22 computer terminals are equipped for support a multimedia resource center. And in this section, we are organizing a special children programs on every Sunday from 10:30 to 12:30 p.m. And also we are conducting programs like music, art and craft classes, comics writing, comics writing and yoga, storytelling, science experiment, chess classes, creative writing, paintings, dance, origami, rocketry, etc. And also in the ground floor, we are having a textbook corporation outlet. This is ACL is a hub center for purchasing school textbooks starting from 6th to 12th standard for
Excuse me, madam.
students.
Can you
And also
conclude in one or two slides, please?
okay, sir.
Because many more speakers and we have other chain of
Okay,
events.
sir.
So
Thank you, sir.
please. Yeah.
And also we are maintaining periodical section. We are purchasing 31 daily newspapers and journals of both national and international journals are available in this section. And also we are offering wheelchairs, ramps, and separate restrooms for physical challenge people. And this library is also act as a user-oriented model. We are offering services like for outside users. We are giving rented basis our conference hall, book release hall, and auditorium. And in the 7th floor, we are maintaining governmental oriental manuscript library and resource center. And we are conducting weekly Ponmalai Poluthu literary program on every Saturdays 6 p.m. and users can interact with the eminent personalities. And also we are conducting orientation program for competitive examination aspirants. And we also conducting popular lecture talks by experts or organized by Tamil Nadu Science Forum. And this library is provided with mobile internet technology and used to create mobile apps in the ACL, and mobile-based services are provided through creating an app under the category of news and magazine for offering information regarding particularly Tamil Nadu-based employment news for job seekers, and also informing vacancies arises throughout India. And this is developed by LeFo Technologies Private Limited. This is the mobile app named as TN Employment News, Ungal Nulagam Ullangail, which can be installed from the Play Store. Through this app, we can search possible by finding out latest jobs, and also by qualification, and by job category wise, and by location wise to satisfy the user. And next is the this is a website for accessing Tamil Nadu employment news, which has been established by Directorate of Public Libraries, School Education Department. And these are all the recommendations. I can suggest few points to implement a Tamil Nadu official document section comprising of all documents like Gazette Gestures, information of all places, service statistical report, annual report, secretariat, assembly debates, especially during budget section, occurring all GOs in the conventional book format form of all the departments separately, and helpful to know the rules and regulations of Tamil Nadu government employees who are all working in all government departments. And also, this library should purchase of electronic resources further like courseware, e-thesis, and the proceedings, which will be useful for academic uses also. And this library should have ISO international standard, is concerned with the evaluation of a list of all types of libraries, and it should get the certificate of ISO 2014, that is the international standard for performance indicators for libraries, which will be additional value to the library. By upgrading above information, ACL services can be enhanced to the advanced level, and it will attract the readers in all levels to the topmost level, and thus makes the institution ranking highest among all the technical oriented libraries. And coming to the conclusion, I can giving some points like a government initiation to set up all public libraries based on ICT, and it made a big revolution to form Anna Central Library, a smart library. Due to implementation of smart technology, smart services, and libraries, librarians will be, has becoming smart professionals, and also retrieve the relevant information easily through online. And therefore, construction of the smart library like Anna Central Library reveals the highly advanced services that can be provided to users despite of age, race, religion of any community, ranging from children to senior citizens. And these are all the articles cited to write my article. These are all the references. Thanking you for listening my presentation with more patience. Thank you.
Thank you for your extensive lecture.